What if your money could earn more money while you sleep and a bank had absolutely nothing to do with it? That's not the future. That's happening right now, and it's called staking. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how it works. Here is how money works today. You put your savings in a bank. The bank uses your money to make loans and investment. They earn big returns. You get a tiny percentage back, maybe 1% if you're lucky. The system is built for banks, not for you. And for millions of people, especially in developing economies, accessing these financial services isn't even an option. Banks say no before you even ask. So here is the real question. What if you didn't need a bank at all? What if the system could run itself fairly, openly, and automatically? This is where blockchain networks come in. A blockchain is a digital record book, except no single person, company, or bank controls it. Instead of one bank checking every transaction, thousands of participants around the world verify them together. No single point of failure, no one in charge. But who keeps the system honest? How does the network decide which transactions are real and which are fake? This is where staking enters the story. Staking simply means committing some of your digital asset to a blockchain network. Think of it like volunteering to help guide a system and getting paid for your services. You stake asset out like a deposit. The network holds them while you help verify transactions. Behave honestly and rewards. Try to cheat and you lose your deposit. But here is the part most beginner videos skip, and it's actually the most powerful part. Stick with me for 60 more seconds. Take Ethereum, one of the most popular blockchain networks in the world. To participate in validating transactions on Ethereum, you stake Ether tokens. When you stake, two things happen at the same time. The network becomes more secure and trustworthy, and you earn staking rewards automatically distributed by the protocol. Let's make this real. Meet Amara. She's 26, lives in Accra. She has some cryptocurrency sitting in her digital wallet. Instead of leaving those assets idle, Amara decides to stake them on a supported network. She connects her wallet, selects the staking option, and confirms. While her assets are locked, the network uses her stake to help validate real transactions happening around the globe every few seconds around the clock. As the network processes transactions, Amara receives staking rewards sent directly to her wallet by the protocol. No middleman, no approval needed. Staking does two powerful things. It keeps the blockchain honest and secure, and it gives everyday people a way to participate in and benefit from the new financial system. Inside the CTC ecosystem, understanding staking gives you a real edge. You now see how blockchain networks maintain trust without any central authority calling the shot. Here's your reflection question. How does staking help a blockchain network stay secure and keep rewarding its participants? Think about it and drop your answer below. If this video gave you a clearer picture of how DeFi actually works, hit subscribe. If this helped you, like the video. See you in the next one. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risks, so always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions.